Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. You know this is New Oxford Modern English book for grade 6, and today we are going to read unit number 1, that is Mother to Son. So first of all you have to mention here today's date and day, and I am going to explain difficult words with their meaning for you. A-climbing. The first word is A-climbing. Means climbing. Chadhai, chadna. And informal has not. Also a contraction of am not. Informal way of saying has not, and also this is a contraction form of am not. Crystal. A high quality, clear, colorless glass. साफ शफाफ चमकते शीशे जैसा, कांच जैसा. Honey, here a term of endearment, dear, sweetie, darling. So in this poem, mother calls her son a honey, means dear, sweetie. I has, a non-standard way of saying I have, he has. In the second instance in the poem, this stands for I am. So this is non-standard way of saying I have, and we have also used in the poem in the context of I am. Kinder, kind of. Landings, the flat area without steps where a stairway takes a turn, means the flat area. Sit down, stop, rest. Splinters, sharp, slender pieces of wood broken off from the main body, means small pieces of wood. Tacks, short nails with a flat head, used for holding down a carpet, for example. Short nail with a flat head. कील जिसको बोलते हैं, कील. Well son, I will tell you, life for me ain't been no crystal stair. Here mother tells her son that son, I am going to tell you that life for me hasn't been like a crystal stair. कि जिंदगी मेरे लिए crystal stair जैसी नहीं थी, शीशे जैसी नहीं थी, कांच जैसी नहीं थी. Means to say that life was very tough for her. It's had cracks in it and splinters. Here cracks and splinters represents the painful moments and the hardships in her life. And boards turn up means opportunities removed from her life, and places with no carpet on the floor. Here no carpet on the floor again represents the discomforts and the lack of wealth for her, bare, uncovered. So here in this paragraph, mother tells her son that life for her was very difficult. She has to face a lot of difficulties and the painful moments in her life, and she has to face the lack of opportunities, and there was lack of wealth and the discomfort, lot of discomfort in her life. But all the time I have been climbing on. लेकिन हर वक्त इन तमाम despite of all these difficulties, I has been climbing on. मैं आगे ही बढ़ती रही. And reaching landings and turning corners, और landing से जहाँ कहीं से मुझे रास्ता मिला, and turning corners से होते हुए, and sometimes going in the dark where there hasn't been light, और अंधेरों में से गुजर के जहाँ पे कोई रोशनी नहीं होती थी मुझे गुजरना पड़ा. मैं आगे ही जाती रही, तो मुझे इतनी मुश्किलात के बावजूद मैं ज़िंदगी में आगे ही बढ़ती रही. So boy, don't you turn back. Now she advises her son that you shouldn't turn back. Don't you sit down on the step. Don't you look back. तुम्हें गिरना नहीं है, तुम्हें ज़िंदगी में आगे बढ़ना है. Cause you find it's kinder hard. हो सकता है तुम्हारे लिए ये मुश्किल हो. Don't you fall now and don't you look back. For I am still going, honey. मुझे देखो, I am still going. मैं अभी भी आगे बढ़ रही हूँ, honey, sweetie, dear son. I am still climbing. मैं कैसे आगे बढ़ रही हूँ? And life for me ain't been no crystal stair. And again he says that life for her was not like a crystal stair. So Langston Hughes is the name of the poet who has written this poem. So I have and I am going to explain this. This is the summary of this poem, Mother to Son. This poem is written by the poet Langston Hughes. In this poem, a mother advises her son that he will face many difficulties in life, and he must overcome them and keep going. She says that her life hasn't been a staircase made of crystal. Rather, it has been quite tough. However, she has kept climbing through landings, corners, and darkness, in spite of such discomforts. She asked him to walk in her footsteps and keep moving forward without turning back or giving up. So students, you have to read this poem twice by yourself, and you have to write down the meaning of different words, difficult words on your notebooks. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Stay home, stay safe.